Friends, we are going to see about strategy under the strategic management process. So before that, what is the meaning of strategy? So according to Alfred D. Chandler, strategy is the determination of the basic long-term goals and objectives of an enterprise and the adoption of courses of action and allocation of resources necessary for carrying out these goals. So nature of strategy, the first thing is provides overall framework of the organization. It is required in the unified directions among the employees and the employer and the employees. The both management and the employees, they can create the major courses of the actions for achieving organizational objectives. Next one is, next thing is required the combination of the actions. The blend of internal and external factors is required for achieving the organizational objectives. And the future-oriented process is required for the development of the organization. So every organization is dependent on the system. The hierarchy of the strategies, the corporate strategies, framed by the higher official. We can see then the chart, the corporate headquarters. There are three strategic business units are available. So under the strategic business units, the functional strategies are available. There is manufacturing, there is finance, there is marketing, the research and development, the human resource management. So all these, the functional departments are very, very important for the strategic business unit. So what is the meaning of strategic business unit? So why we can call it a strategic business unit? The strategic business units or profit centers is defined as any part of a business organization which is treated separately for strategic management purpose. The strategic managements are involved in a single line of the business. SBU, it is denoted as the strategic business area. The meaning of SBA, a distinctive segment of the environment in which the firm does the business, it is or may want to do the business. So strategic management, what is the meaning of strategic management? The art and the science of formulating, the implementing and evaluating cross-functional decisions that enable an organization to achieve its objectives. Strategic management focuses on integrating management, marketing, finance or the accounting, production or the operations, research and development and information system to achieve organizational success. So the conceptual framework for the strategic management, the first thing is the establishment of strategic intent. Then we have to frame formulate the strategies. Then have to implement strategic implementation. Then we have to strategic evaluation process. Then finally control the strategic. The review and the checking factors is very, very important for the strategic management process. So what is the meaning of strategic intent? So lay the foundation for strategic management. The strategic intent makes clear what the organization stands for. The first thing is the vision, the mission, purpose, business definition, objectives and the goals. So strategy formulation. There are two factors are very, very important in the strategic formulation. The one is environmental appraisals, the another one is organizational appraisals. The first thing is SWOT analysis, corporate SWOT analysis, the level of strategies business, the level of strategic analysis and the choice strategic plan. In the strategic formulation takes place at 4 levels. The first thing is corporate, business, functional and operational. Strategic implementation, the translation of Susan strategy into organizational action so as to the strategic goals and objectives. For implementation of the strategic plan is put into action through 6 sub-process. The first thing is project implementation, the procedural implementation, the resource allocation implementation, the structural implementation, then behavioral implementation, then finally the functional and operational implementation. Strategic evaluation and the control. The strategic evaluation applies the implementation of strategies and measure the organizational performance. The feedback from strategic evaluation is meant to exercise strategic control over the strategic management process. The strategies are reformulated if necessary. So, what are the importance of strategic management? Strategic decisions are futuristic, so multifunctional and multi-business effects. So, based on study of the environment, allocation of resources and improved coordinations, the framework for operation planning, clarity in a direction of activities, the increasing organizational effectiveness, the finally personal satisfaction. Thank you.